Hello, let's do the Netflix puzzled Starstruck for May 11th. This will do the easy then the hard. The easy is called Mini Battleships. Let's play. The way we play this game is in each row, each column, and each colored region, we need to place exactly one star. Stars also can't touch each other, even diagonally, so that would not be allowed. Now, the indigo region and the yellow region and the gray region are just gimmies. They only have one place to put a star, so that's where we put it. Now green is down to one place. Orange is going to be in this row, right? Because it just is. Wherever the star ends up in orange, it's going to be in this row. So that can't be a second star in the row, leaving only one place in brown, which gives us blue. That gives us red, and that gives us orange. All right, that's a plonker for sure. Cool. Let's, 69, nice. Let's move on to, I keep forgetting that there's a different way to get back into hard. That's easier because of muscle memory. But anyway, hard is called the Umbrella Academy. All right. We do indeed have an umbrella. Okay. So this umbrella formation, obviously, no, I'm kidding. Okay, we got brown and green lining up. That's the first thing I'm seeing. So we can get rid of the rest of those two rows. One will be in brown, one will be in green. Nothing else left for those two rows. This is a little L shape, so we can remove that. What do these? This one here removes from here because it touches most of them and shares a column with the others. Do we have? Yeah, we got 3 in this right column. I might as well just like show you with my little pen here. So we're expecting 3 stars to the right of red, 3 columns, 3 stars. One's green, one's yellow, one's red. So if you're not green, yellow, or red in those 3 columns, you can't have another. There can't have a star. It would be a 4th star in those columns. It's exactly 3. All right, and that does mean we're here or here. So if you saw this as a region, you'd immediately say, yeah, this is out and this is out. There's no difference with it being a column instead. This one and this one would still touch the entirety of what's left for the column, so they cannot be in. That makes an L for green, but that doesn't actually help. Does that help brown at all? Not that I'm seeing. This gray is down to this shape. This actually touches the whole thing and then shares a column with that one. Or touches most, shares a column with that one. This is down to this L shape, which actually removes from here and from here. This shares a row and touches. This is now a tetromino. All right, what else am I seeing? I mean, we see that the blue and the gray use these 4 rows, but I'm not sure if there's a direct thing to do there. Oh, I'm seeing that yellow and indigo share these 2 rows, so the rest of orange can't use that. Orange is so big, it makes me think there should just be like a single row or column that it's forced into, but I mean, this column's the closest. We'd have to get rid of this brown, though. It almost makes me think that brown is true, not false. I keep trying to look at columns, but they don't seem to be doing anything. What about rows? Anything else with rows? Not that I'm seeing. Oh, gray and purple here. A little bit harder to see, but this is all that's left for gray and purple. We can't use the ones over there outside of the red lines, so these are out. Okay, now I'm getting more and more convinced that that's true. But we can actually get the green now because the gray, or sorry, not gray, the brown removed the rest of that row. So that's a star. That's a star. That's a star. That's a star. Okay, this can't be in, nor can this, because it touches the remainder of this dark orange. Ooh. I mean, we just got rid of so much. I have to kind of rescan. 2 left in gray. Can we do anything with that? It would be this one and this one. So, no, I don't think anything new with that. What about... I'm trying to think about rows. Oh, this row now. Okay, this is what kind of the thing I was looking for. This row now is only going to be an orange, so the rest of orange isn't in. We can just get rid of it. And this touches the remainder 3 in that orange. Huh. These 2 eliminate this one, but not this one. This one doesn't. 2 left in this row. This one would place that one. And that one. I mean, that breaks. What I just saw was what I was looking at this one because it just it kills a lot of the blue, right? It kills all but one of the blues. So that's why I looked at it. That kills these two, which gives us this one. And now you'll notice that these two eliminate the remainder of gray. So I wonder if there's like a cleaner way to see that. Because it doesn't use any touching rules. When it doesn't use any touching rules, it ought to have a cleaner effect, I'd think, but maybe not. Um, I mean, the same is just true of this. This can't be true because it places this, and this by touching eliminates those two. Oh no, I guess this alone eliminates those two, but no. Right. This places this, and that alone eliminates those two. The touching doesn't matter. Um, so there's got to be. I mean, that's such an easy look ahead. I might as well just use it, but I can't help but think there's some kind of like clean way to see that, like wherever the gray is, it eliminates that. But I mean, it's just still a look ahead. So it just has to do with the shape of this remaining orange region. But anyway, it means we can't place this blue. So now blue's in one of these two. That's going to eliminate the rest of the column. This does actually place that brown that I thought it would go in. That places the orange as well. I was going to do these two for this formation. We don't need to anymore. So this row is down to just this gray. This row is down to just this blue. We have purple, and then we have dark orange. Okay. Just a little simple look ahead, pretty reduced. So I'm not too concerned about that. Anyway, how'd you do?